Okay, today I'm going to show you how to perform a hair and scalp analysis before a treatment. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to brush through my client's hair and scalp. This is going to loosen up any dead skin, remove any product buildup. It also starts to invigorate and stimulate the scalp. I do this all over and making sure that I run through the ends of the hair. That way I remove any knots. What I do then is I use my basing comb and I'm basically having a look at the scalp in different areas. I like to look behind the ears, I like to look around the crown and the nape of the head. I'm looking for contagious scalp disorders, and I'm also looking for any general scalp concerns such as oiliness, dandruff, hair loss. And these can be presented in different areas of the hair, so it's always a good idea to have a good look before you start performing any hair services. I also have a look around the front hairline, as this is where we have a lot of issues. What I then like to do to work out what kind of treatment I need to do is I do an elasticity test. I grab a small piece of hair and I pull on it. I'm doing this in two different areas. I do this one closer to the roots and then one closer to the ends. If it breaks, I need protein. If it doesn't break, I need more moisture. I then make sure to go back through and brush and stimulate the scalp some more. I use a soft bristle brush, so this is a de boa, but any paddle brush or any Mason Pearson brush will do the job. And that's how you prepare and do a scalp analysis.